Hello traders, happy new year to everyone. The first trade happened after 10 o'clock, upper side breakout, buy call, green color candle open. Like this daily automatically it will give calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video like this daily, you just need to watch this chart. This chart will give you the calls like a signal. So right now it's a buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. This happens automatically. So you just need to watch and get the entry point. Through this entry point you can like place the order manually, or you can do auto trading also. So if you want to know the chart plan detail, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail. Today it's a new year, already told. After 10:10 only this buy call came. Buy at 51,141, that is our entry point. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above line are target line, below line is the stop loss line. So 141 is the entry, 268 is the first target. It's more than 120 point first target range. This chart functions based on the candlestick movement only, and it's a chart only. So you can change script like Nifty, Reliance, crude oil also you can watch. But on daily standard basis, we are uploading video on how calls are generating, how it performing in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. In few minutes I will show option chart also. So you will have idea about future and option. In 15 minutes of buy call generated, it successfully break out the first target range. First 1 minute, it has given a 50 point, like a 50% of target achieved. But after that, market was a slow movement, low volatile. After 10 minutes, market again given a good momentum and break out the target. 52,000 call option out of the money we are watching. The buy call came at 533 and market move all the way to 580. So like this, you can change script like in the money, at the money, out of the money also you can watch in this chart. If you want to know the chart plan detail, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.